Okay, stand up.
Can I go outside?
Go. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Hey. Trying to make a cool video and the store is filthy. Thank you. Dude, we just got free stuff. We got free chicken minis because the breakfast was closed, so I didn't even have to use much time. I'm so flippin' happy about it. What you got? Tots. Solus is just like, I want food. What are we doing? What? Don't stop touching your mouth. Get your fingers out of your mouth. Walking?
Yeah.
Solus fell asleep. Lots of rocks.
That's a lot of dirt, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woohoo. Whee! Is this a cool swing?
Yeah.
Don't judge my fashion. Dude, don't judge me. I'm not that fit. And I just ran up a hill with this massive stroller. It's like a stand. People stand up there. Also, it's flipping cold. Like, the sun was shining a little bit. I can't vlog and drive a stroller. Hey. What did we get? What did we get? I'm so excited right now. Don't look at me. Even though I'm like, don't look at me, but wow. Okay, so I just got done wearing a hat, okay? Don't judge. But look at what we just got in the mail. I am so excited about this. It's like the world's cutest microwave. Unboxing. Where's my scissors? Watch your fingers, babe. What is this? Do I have to cook your oatmeal in a pot anymore? First world problems, y'all. I mean, it's really not that hard, but yummy. Okay, how do we get this out of here? I have never been so excited about a microwave. You know you're starting to get old when you're excited about microwaves. I guess I'll flip it over. That is such a pretty color, right? Oh, it's a pretty microwave. Well, it says it's a mini microwave, but it's really not that small. Yeah, but I know. I wish you need to see Solus. He is like so excited that I'm in the floor with him. Whoops, that was kind of loud because that's the plate. Heavens to Betsy. Down like that. Woohoo, dude. This is the cutest microwave ever. I don't care who you are, what your name is, where you're from. Look at this. This is so cute. Peeling off the packaging. La. You want to do it? Even babies like it. Ew, that one was a little squeaky. You want to pull it? Pull it off. Yeah. Rip it off. La. It's really small, like you can see, but it's pretty small. I love directions. I know most people don't, but I do. Right. Let's put it up on the counter. Are you excited, buddy? No, I just want you to pick me up. I'm excited because, okay, so this is apparently like a miniature microwave. So we were afraid that certain things would not fit in here. And popcorn bowl fits in here. That is so exciting to me because I was seriously afraid that it wasn't going to fit. This is what we make our popcorn in. I mean, we could just switch back to bags from the store like normal people, but we are not normal people, so yeah, I'm so excited. One thing I didn't totally realize about this is that it is a power saving microwave, which I kind of like seeing the time, but you know, we have time. Yeah. Let's not even talk about that. We have the time on our oven, so it's not like you need to see it twice. I could just get a clock. Let's just give it a test. Let's give it a testy go. Wow. Never been so excited about a microwave. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to hit me with a stick? This is literally the day right after that very first video. And you can see his face has still got little bumps and scratches on it. But he's fine. He just wants to snuggle me all the time. Ouch! This kid. This kid. He just wants to hug me all day. You smell like feet and Cheetos. Ow! Lavender sage deodorant. For some reason, like cleaning videos, maybe just because it makes them feel productive or inspire them to be productive. But this is just ridiculous. Like, why is there water on the stove? And all this. Putting Titus's shoes on. What do we do? So he can go outside.
Yes. Oh, I'm riding my bike. Yes.
Wrap up. It's cold.
comics for that.
Oh, he wants you so bad.
I know. Come here. Come here. Hey.
Aww. Who's got you? Daddy. Stinker. You got daddy. What is going on in here?
Dance party.
Daddy,
What?
my
Yeah. Hit it.
It's a mosh pit. Okay, this might be getting too much response.
There's something to hit it.